In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bluetooth speakers during your Zoom call. This is a great way to enhance your audio experience, allowing for clear, crisp sound whether you're participating in a business meeting, a virtual event, or simply catching up with family and friends. So let's get started on how you can seamlessly incorporate Bluetooth speakers into your Zoom setup. First, you want to ensure your Bluetooth speaker is already connected to your device before you open Zoom. This step is crucial as it ensures that your speaker is ready to be selected in the Zoom settings. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and pair your Bluetooth speaker with your device by going into your Bluetooth settings and selecting your speaker from the list of available devices. Once your speaker is connected, head over to and sign into the Zoom app. It's important to sign in so that you have access to all the features and settings necessary for a seamless audio experience. So open your browser and navigate to the Zoom website, then click on the Sign In button. If you are prompted to choose a sign-in method, click on Google, as this provides a quick and secure way to log in using your Google account credentials. After signing in, you'll want to select your account. This will bring you to your profile settings, where you can make adjustments to ensure your audio output is set correctly. Navigate to the settings section in your Zoom profile, which is where you'll find various options to customize your Zoom experience according to your needs. Within the Zoom settings, click on the Audio tab. Here you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the audio output device. Look for your Bluetooth speaker in this list. Selecting your speaker ensures that the audio output from Zoom will be directed to your Bluetooth speaker, enhancing the audio quality compared to the default computer speakers. To finalize the setup and to make sure everything is functioning correctly, click on Test Speaker. This will play a sound through your selected Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to confirm that the audio is coming out clearly. If you hear the sound, you're all set. If not, you may need to double-check your connections or restart your device and try again. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Bluetooth speaker for use with Zoom. Enjoy your meetings and calls with better sound quality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.